I am pleased to invite our next speaker, Mr. Maruti Desai. Mr. Maruti Desai has completed his post-graduation in statistics from Solapur University. He is working as a statistician at Helios Sharia Institute of Public Health, Mumbai. He is currently working on this project, which we are all right now sharing and seeing. So let's hear him. So over to Mr. Maruti Desai.
Hello, good morning. First of all, thank you.
Yes.
First of all, thank you to Dr. Gupta sir and Dr. Rana Singh uh, give me opportunity to present my work. So just in previous study, Dr. Bill presented the religiosity and the relation with adolescent intention to tobacco use. So now I am presenting the adolescent resilience. Means our adolescent resilience, family and school environmental factors are associated to intention to tobacco use, and the background and in early adolescence is a crucial development period, and it is time when adolescents start to increasing become more independent, new relationships, develop new social skills, and experiment with new behavior like tobacco use. So prevalence of any form of tobacco use is 14% among school going adolescents in India. Next slide, please. So the purpose is this study is to assess association between intention to use tobacco among adolescent and resilience score, family cohesion score, parent monitoring score, school connectedness score, and teachers monitoring score. Next slide. So the method is we use data from a population-based survey, household survey 2000-2018 of young adolescents 12 to 4 years, and the sample size is 1,982. Among these, Kolkata is 1,038 and Mumbai is 944. So participant completed questionnaire about tobacco use, intention to tobacco use, resilience, family, parental, and school factors, and close friends. So the score is developed for these all 6 domains, and the analysis, weighted analysis used the weighted multivariate logistic regression analysis and sampling weighted method with using the complex sample analysis method. So next slide, please. So the first domain here, I briefly explain the part of resilience. Means resilience including 11 questions. So like that, and the 3 Likert scale questionnaire. So like that, for example, adolescents, someone who has different opinions to yours, then the adolescents enjoying working together with other students of your adolescent age. You can do most things you try, many things you do well, feel bad, someone gets there feeling hurt, understand what other people feel and think, need help, find someone to talk with, and need help, you find someone to talk with, try to work, problems problem sharing in writing or in talking, understanding the feelings, and then understand why you do what you do, and like that, new and exciting experiences, even you have to break the rules like that. So this part is including the resilience part. Next slide, please. So next part is a family cohesion part. The family cohesion parts belongs 6 questionnaires, and like that, family members means family relations, family members helping each other nature, family members have to say even when this disagree, you listen to what other family members have to say even when you disagree. Family members like to spend free time with adolescents, and available adolescent available when others in the family members want to talk with adolescent, like that. And next option, next part. So next part covering is parent monitoring score. So this part is very important part in intention and initiation of tobacco use. So the questions like that, the primary caretaker enjoys hearing what you say. Parent and primary caretaker upset or worried. Caretaker is good helping you solve your problems, and primary caretaker tell you about when you are supposed to be home after school. You come home from school, primary caretaker away from him, and primary caretaker when you go out with the friends. So in this part, we are covering the parent monitoring part of adolescence. And next slide, please. And next part, we are covering the school connectedness part. So in this part, covering the like that adolescent like feel close to your classmates at schools, feel like you are a part of school, happy to be at school, safe in your school, like that. So in this means school connectedness part is four type of questionnaires, and the response is neither agree nor disagree and disagree and agree. So we are we are here, the focus, the part is a negative response to resilience, negative response to family cohesion part, negative responses adolescents to school connectedness. And next slide, negative response to teachers monitoring part. So in this part, we are covering the teachers who really created about you, teachers you means a teacher who told you when you do a good job, teachers who noticed the when you were not present, and teachers who always wanted you to do your best in your classrooms, and teachers who listened to you when you had something to say, and teachers who believed in you. So these all factors is most is very important role in adolescents age group and adolescents life. And please move on next slide. So last part is close friends. Close friends are the more important part for adolescents, peer pressures. So we are covering the all six domains in this study. Previous studies already working, but the all studies available is a research on independent and individual part of the above domains. But we are study here all factors, all six domains in one platform. So the here the results is results for example, results is tobacco use among adolescents was too low to be analyzed. Mumbai in 0.4% and Kolkata in 0.2%, and adolescent intention to use tobacco was higher in Mumbai and Mumbai than Kolkata, that is 8.5% in Mumbai, and Kolkata is 7.7%. And here the boys from both cities reported higher intention to use tobacco than girls. And here the most important findings in our study is here the multivariate and weighted logistic regression analysis shows our study is resilience, family cohesion, parent monitoring, school connectedness, and teacher monitoring, close friends of tobaccos, where tobacco use were independently associated with adolescents' intention to use tobacco in Mumbai, but was not in Kolkata. So here and the next slide, okay. And here the main conclusion part is the adolescent resilience, family cohesion, parent monitoring, school connectedness, and teacher monitoring factors, close friends, tobacco use plays very important role in adolescent intention to use tobacco. And the recommendation is therefore policymakers should consider these factors during adolescence as an additional tobacco control measures in India. Okay, next slide. Okay, thank you for your attentions, and thank you, Dr. Rana Singh sir. Over to Gupta sir.
Thank you, Maruti Desai. You are a statistician, I know. So although you have not shown a lot of data, but the conclusions that you have shown, results and conclusion, I'm sure there is a lot of data and data analysis behind that. So that's very nice.